Risk tolerance drives decision making. Let's play.
Yeah.
Here are a few examples of how risk tolerance can drive decision making for organizations. An organization is required to build a bid package to gain a contract. The time and effort of personnel building a bid package will cost the organization 10,000 US dollars. If the organization wins the contract pays 2 million US dollars. The organization decides to accept the risk of losing the cost of the bid package because the benefit of winning the contract is appealing. The risk of losing the bid and the cost of building the bid package is within the organization's risk threshold. A trauma center has 3 critical care units where patients are provided life-sustaining services, breathing and heart activity, through the use of machines. Inactivity of these machines could mean that people will die. The trauma center has zero tolerance for power failure, so creates redundancy emergency power supplies through the use of multiple utility power providers, battery backup, and multiple generators with secure fuel supplies and solid contracts with fuel providers to deliver additional fuel during emergency situations. Liza and Krith think they can build a business that is profitable and enjoyable. They decide to quit their jobs and start the business together. They tolerate the risk that their business might fail because the reward they perceive is significant.
In that video, the narrator was told that here a few examples of how risk tolerance can drive decision making for organizations. Let's see what are they. So an organization is required to build bid package to gain a cons- contract. The time and effect of personal building a bind package will cost the organization 10,000 USD. If the organization wins the contract, the contract pays 2 crores dollars USD. The organization decides to accept the risk of losing the cost of the bid package because the benefit of winning the contract is applying the risk of losing the bid and the cost of building the bid package. Okay. In when within the organization's risk threshold, what is the next point they have to a tris- a truma Taruma. A Taruma center has 3 critical care units where patients are provided life stocking services. So, life stocking services like breathing and heart activity. So, through the use of machines, so inactivity of these machines could mean the people will die. The Taruma Center has zero tolerance of power failure. So creates a redundant emergency power supplies through the uses of multiple unity power provides battery backups and multiple generators with secure fuel supplies and solid constructs with fuel provides to driver additional fuel during emergency situations. So at last they have told Lisa and Creed think they can build a business that is profitable and enjoyable. They decide to quit their jobs and start the business together. They tolerate the risk that their business might fail because the reward they presume is significant. So, in this whole thing, they have explained a good manner. So, this is all about risk tolerance drivers decision making.